Unity documentation, and this is the version 2022.3, and you can go all the way up to 2023.3. This is the version, this is the alpha, but if you click in Unity documentation, it's going to be by default set to the 2022.3. This is the more stable one, so we can close this one. So we have the Unity user manual, the 2022.3. Use the Unity editor to create 2D and 3D games, apps, and experiences. Download the editor at the Unity 3D.com. So we click here. The Unity user manual helps you learn how to use the Unity editor and its associated services. You can read it from the start to finish or use it as a reference. If it's your first time using Unity, take a look at the introduction documentary and the working with Unity and refer to the Unity tutorial. So first of all, we are gonna install, let me see, compare plans, what, oops, no, yeah, the personal. You wanna get this is the free one, the personal. Start creating with a free version of Unity, so just click here. Okay, so let me see terms. By downloading Unity, as I or my company meet the following criteria: revenue. Okay, yeah, that's fine, click it. Okay, so by click I confirm that I am able to use Unity personal per the terms of service, as I or my company meet the following criteria: do not make more than 100k. Yeah, I do not do that. Have not raised funds in excess. Okay, not currently use Unity. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so you accept those terms. Let me see, system requirement for Unity 20. Yeah, that's fine. And download Unity Hub. So you click here now. Okay, this might take a while, so it's gonna be in process here, but let's take a look. So let me see. Okay, so we have also packages, best practices. We have the Unity user manual section. So we have the working in Unity. We have this part here, we can read it. Yeah, we have this part. We also have the Unity 2D. So let's take a tour. So we have the 2D game development, we have graphics. Oops, let's go back. We have graphics. Okay, so that's pretty cool. What else? We have physics. Okay, so physics. We have networking. Yeah, it's all pretty cool. Networking. We have all the stuff: computer, electrical engineering, scripting. Okay, this is the code. Okay, so we have scripting. We have audio. We have, okay, so audio overview, audio files. Okay, that's pretty cool. Animation. So let me see animation. Okay, animation in Unity. What else we have? We have the UI, the user interface. You can check it out. We have the navigation. Let me see, and it has completed download. Let's go to downloads, and yeah, it has downloaded. Let me see. I'm just gonna double click here, and let me see. Okay, so Unity terms of service. Let me see, we're gonna agree, and it's gonna be installed in my DC program files, Unity, and yeah, Unity Hub. Yeah, that's fine. Install. So we can close this one. This might take a while. Okay, so legacy navigation and pathfinding. So we have that. Let me see, what else do we have here? We have Unity service. We have virtual reality. If you have this kind of equipment, yeah, that would be pretty cool for the VR packages. What else do we have? We have the platform specifics, further sources and information. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let me see, finish. Okay, so yeah, we have completed the download of the Unity Hub. So this is pretty much the icon. And yeah, okay, so we have the Unity Hub. Sign up. So here, yeah, if you want, you just create an account. You create a username, a password. Make it, I don't know, make it strong. Make it, I don't know, that two-factor authentication if you want. And yeah, you can start pretty much working with the Unity Hub. Let me see if it let us go without creating the account. Not new, create an account. So okay, just yeah, let's just leave it like that for a while. So let's continue with the tour. Let me see. Let's get you started. Thank you for downloading Unity. Okay, so build your first game, connect with creative people just like you, explore your assets. So you have all this information here. Let me see if I click in just Unity prices. Nah, that's fine. Okay, so pretty much this is the Unity manual that we are gonna be working with. So as you saw, we have a bunch of information here. We have from the all the way from the working in Unity. We have Unity 2D, graphics, physics, networking, scripting, audio, animation, UI, the user interface. We have the navigation, the Unity service, and virtual reality. So we have all this to start working with. Let's take a look at the working in Unity. So let's click it here. Let me see, I can do this. Oh yeah, like that. So let's take a look at working in Unity. So this section explains the Unity interface menu items, using assets, creating scenes, and publishing builds. So we have installing Unity, downloading, installing, and activating Unity using the hub, and how to manage your licenses. Okay, so we have already installed the software. Unity's interface, and in-depth look at each of the main windows you'll use every day in Unity, including useful shortcuts and hotkeys, creating gameplay, how to get started making scenes, game objects and components, reading input and adding gameplay or interactivity to your project, asset workflow, how to get assets into Unity from a variety of different sources, including graphics, art, and sound from external programs, packages, files from other developers, and ready-made assets from our package manager and the asset store. We have also the editor features, information about many of the editor's powerful features to help you customize your workflow, integrate with external tools, and extend the editor itself. Analysis, get performance, information about your application with the Unity profiler, and finally the upgrade guides, important notes for upgrading projects that were authored with older versions of Unity. So again, we are using the version 2022.3. so this is working with Unity. Let me see, creating gameplay. Okay, so let's take another look into that. Yeah, that was with working in Unity. So let's take a look in Unity 2D, so the second one. Okay, and this is just a basic general overview. So 2D game development, so we've been building some games here. So 2D game development, while Unity is famous for its 3D capabilities, you can also use Unity to create 2D projects. Let me see. Okay, use this section to learn how to develop 2D projects in Unity, including how to use sprites, create tile maps, and use 2D physics systems in your product. So they're giving us some pics here. As you can see, this is kind of like the tile map. Many areas of Unity's documentation apply to both 2D and 3D development. This section focuses specifically on the 2D specific features and functionality. Refer to the 2D or 3D projects to decide what mode to create your project. Refer to 2D and 3D mode settings for information on how the 2D and 3D modes differ. So in this table we have two columns, the topic column and the description. So okay, so we have the introduction to 2D, understanding the available features of 2D projects in Unity. We have the 2D game development quick start game, that is the create a 2D game with a quick start guide. We also have the 2D sorting, learn how sorting works in 2D projects. Work with the sprites, so use sprites within your 2D game. Create tile maps, use the tile map system to create 2D labels. Physics 2D reference, use Unity's physics system to handle physics 2D components. And then we have more additional resources. So we have the Unity ebook on 2D game art, animation and light for artists. So we can click here and okay, it's gonna send us to another link, and yeah, we can read it here. So we have this information as well as the Learn Unity course on beginning 2D game development. So we have that, so let's take a look as well. Let me see, beginning 2D game, yeah, we have all this information. Okay, let's take a look. We have the working in Unity 2D. Let's take a look at graphics. So graphics, Unity's graphics features let you control the appearance of your application and are highly customizable. You can use Unity's graphics features to create beautiful optimized graphics across a range of platforms, from mobile to high-end consoles and desktops. So as you can see, this looks like similar to Star Wars or some futuristic kind of game. Okay, so the section contains information on the following graphics. So here you're gonna find information about the render pipeline, cameras, post-processing, lighting section, meshes, so materials, textures, shaders, particle system, creating environments, sky, visual effects, optimizing graphics performance, color spaces, and for more information you have all those links here.